Welcome to the Writing Task 2 series. In this video, we'll focus on contrast transition words for showing differences. They help you show differences like advantages versus disadvantages or two opposing views. They improve the flow of your essay and help you avoid overusing simple words like but. There are different types of contrast transitions. The first group are sentence starters. Words like however, on the other hand, or nevertheless. These words begin a new sentence. For example, here, first we write an advantage, then use however before writing a disadvantage. The second group joins ideas in the same sentence using connectors like although, even though, while, and whereas. In this example, we have used although. These connectors can appear at the beginning or middle of the sentence, but not as standalone sentences. The third group uses preposition-style contrast words such as despite, in spite of, instead of, and rather than. These are followed by a noun or gerund, not a full sentence. You can place them at the start or in the middle of the sentence. In good writing, transitions often don't stand out. They blend into the sentence. We already saw this with although and despite. They are built into the sentence structure. But even some words we usually see at the beginning, like however, on the other hand, and nevertheless, can be used inside a sentence. Some examples are on screen. For all the words and phrases we are discussing, note how commas are used around them. You can use contrast transitions at several points in your essay. Between body paragraphs, for example, after writing about the advantages, you can start the next paragraph for disadvantages with on the other hand. You can also use contrast transitions within a paragraph to show a counterpoint. For example, although remote work offers flexibility, it may reduce collaboration. They can also be used in solution type essays. Here we have used rather than to give a better solution. Rather than forcing employees back to the office, companies should improve virtual collaboration tools. In the conclusion, contrast transitions help you justify your final opinion, especially when you have presented both sides in body paragraphs. The best essays mix different types of contrast transitions. Use a combination of sentence starters, connectors, and preposition forms for a high score. To recap, contrast transitions help highlight differences in your points. There are different types, so you can use them in different ways. This helps vary sentence structures. Now it's your turn. Write about advantages and disadvantages of learning multiple languages at school. Here's an example to guide you. Try to write your own points using different contrast vocabulary. In the next video, we'll explore cause and effect transitions, useful when explaining why something happens or what result it causes. Check the full playlist in the description. See you in the next one.